Seven, Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3, okay. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. Tango boom, 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 boom. Toot, and un, teet and boom. Hide and seek none, fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Cat count, 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Slam and gone to you. Hiding near through buzzing green. Hide on wall or show owl. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3, hiding near 4 funny stars. Hide face from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons. And sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3, 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and 38, the throat spin. Big does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 9 toy cars. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, Pant, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, Pant, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. A window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Babe, stop this spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 1 spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, Wait, fix the bus? Fix it fast!
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. 4 skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like Ben 10. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, poor thing, stay away from this farm tonight. 3 skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. 2 skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. 1 skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pull. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meals and morning light. No more stealing eggs
Almost got them all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
La 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 la. Boom boom boom. Cherry room, gentle home, crashing room.